If you've ever dreamed of building a six-figure business, now's the time to make it happen. With new tools, trends, and opportunities, 2025 is shaping up to be the best year to launch or grow your business.
But let's be real, it takes more than just ideas. In this video, we're breaking down the actionable steps, strategies, and tools you need to hit six figures this year. And don't worry, it's easier than you think if you follow the right plan.
So grab your coffee, your notebook, and let's build that six-figure dream together. First things first, you need to find your niche. In 2025, the riches are truly in the niches. The more specific and focused you are, the easier it is to connect with the right customers.
Think about it. Are you solving a problem that's specific, relatable, and urgent? For example, instead of fitness coaching, you could specialize in fitness for new moms juggling busy schedules. Or instead of selling home decor, you focus on eco-friendly decor for small apartments. Get specific.
And don't forget to research. Use tools like Google Trends, Answer the Public, and even Reddit to see what problems people are talking about. Your niche is where demand meets your passion.
Once you've nailed your niche, it's time to build a brand that stands out. In 2025, your brand needs to be bold and authentic. People don't just buy products, they buy stories.
Start by creating a clear mission statement. What does your business stand for? And how does it help your customers? Then, make sure your brand is visually consistent. Use free tools like Canva or paid services like Figma to create a cohesive look for your logo, website, and social media.
Also, don't be afraid to inject some personality. Show your face, share your story, and let people see the human side of your brand. The stronger the connection, the more loyal your customers will be.
In 2025, social media is still the king of marketing, and the good news, it's free to start. But the trick is to play smart.
TikTok and Instagram Reels are the ultimate platforms for going viral. If you're not using video, you're missing out on huge reach. And it doesn't have to be complicated. Start with short, relatable videos that solve problems or entertain your audience.
Also, don't sleep on LinkedIn if you're in B2B, or Pinterest if you're targeting creatives. Every platform has its strengths. Just make sure your content is native to that platform. And yes, consistency is key. Posting once a week isn't going to cut it.
Let's talk about money, specifically, how to make more of it. In 2025, successful businesses aren't relying on just one income stream. They're diversifying.
For example, if you're running an online store, consider adding a subscription box or offering digital products like ebooks or templates. If you're a coach, upsell your services with online courses or group workshops.
And here's the kicker. Don't be afraid to explore partnerships or affiliate marketing. Promoting products or services that align with your brand is an easy way to add another revenue stream while serving your audience.
Running a six-figure business doesn't mean working 24/7. The secret? Automation.
In 2025, automation tools are smarter than ever. Use platforms like Zapier to connect your apps and automate repetitive tasks. Tools like HubSpot or ConvertKit can handle your email marketing, while Shopify and WooCommerce simplify e-commerce.
And let's not forget AI. Tools like ChatGPT can write blog posts, social captions, or even customer emails. Automating doesn't just save time. It frees you up to focus on the big picture growth of your business.
Now let's talk about your customers. In 2025, it's all about the experience. Happy customers are repeat customers, and they bring their friends.
Make it easy for people to do business with you. That means fast website loading times, clear communication, and stellar customer service. Don't be afraid to go above and beyond. It pays off in loyalty and referrals.
And don't forget to listen to feedback. Use tools like surveys or Instagram polls to see what your audience wants. The more you tailor your business to your customers' needs, the more they'll stick around.
Once your business is rolling, you'll want to scale, and paid ads are the way to go.
Platforms like Facebook, TikTok, and Google make it easier than ever to reach your audience. But here's the trick. Don't waste money on broad campaigns. Instead, focus on retargeting people who've already interacted with your content.
For example, if someone visits your site but doesn't buy, you can use ads to remind them. It's cheaper, more effective, and helps convert people who are already interested.
They say you're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, so why not surround yourself with success?
In 2025, networking is easier than ever. Join online communities, attend webinars, or even DM people you admire on LinkedIn or Instagram. You'll be surprised how many successful people are willing to share their insights.
Plus, having a support system keeps you motivated and helps you learn from others' mistakes, saving you time and money in the long run.
Building a six-figure business in 2025 isn't just possible, it's within your reach. By following these steps, staying consistent, and adapting to trends, you'll be well on your way to success.
Which step are you most excited to take? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on crushing your goals. Both narrators. Here's to building the business and life of your dreams.